Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. So today I went shopping. I went to Walmart. So I picked up a few things that I needed for myself, and I picked up some things for my 100 subscriber giveaway. I mean, how exciting is that? So I did have a few things from some of my subscription boxes that I will be putting into the giveaway, but I did pick up a few things that I thought would be nice inside the box as well. So first, what I got, this is for me, Q-tips, needed those. Dental sticks, which dentists hate these, but I can't live without them. So got those. These are the Plackers twin line. These are only like $2.29 or $2.49, something like that. And I picked up a wrap. This was in the clearance aisle for $4. And I'm always sitting on the couch, and I get a little chilly sometimes. And you don't need a whole blanket, but you just need something. So let's break into this. Okay, I think I have it unwrapped. And it's this really pretty blue, like a dusty blue. And it does have like a collar. One size. It is polyester, recycled polyester. Super. Why can't there be any natural fibers and things these days? I mean, why does everything have to be artificial? I mean, I'm just saying. So you've got cutouts for the sleeves. Let's try this thing on. So it's very light. It's like a knit, a fine knit. I'm not wearing the right color to show it off, but here you go. I mean, it's just perfect. It's a little something. And they give suggestions on other ways to wear it. You can wear it like a scarf if you like. Just kind of throw it up here, kind of like that. I mean, these are just suggestions that they have. So you can wear it as a scarf, a shoulder wrap, a sleeveless wrap. Here's some other ways you can put a belt around it if you like. But actually, that's kind of a neat idea. But yeah, for $4, I'm like, yeah, I could use something like that, sitting on the couch. Now, another thing I got is a new winter coat. And I just love this color. Can you see the shift in color? It's gray and it has like green and purple, but I thought it was really neat. This I got for $24.99. Which is a great price for a coat, if you ask me. Let's get that out of here. Oh, I just love the color shift. Yeah. I got an extra large so that, you know, if you're wearing a sweatshirt or a sweater underneath it, then you've got plenty of room. It has a hood, covers my butt a little bit, which I like. But I thought the color was just the prettiest thing. Now here are 3 things that I got for the giveaway. Whoops. So I have 3 things left in my bag. Well, 4 things. All right, let's do this one first. I got Collagen Peptides powder. This is flavorless. You can put it in your coffee, your soda, your juice, plain water, and it helps rebuild the collagen that we so desperately need to fight off those pesky little wrinkles. So I got this. This is like over $20, but it's going to last a while. And you only do it once a day. So I'm going to do that. Got to ingest collagen for it to really work. This is the best way to rebuild your collagen, is by ingesting it. I mean, yes, they have collagen products that you can put on your face. That's topical, and that doesn't get deep inside like something like this. So I got that. I found a cute little cherry blossom bath bomb. Smells wonderful. That is for a lucky viewer. That goes in the giveaway. I also found a mask by Skin Camp, and it's a Hydra mask, Hydra Gel Facial Mask by Skin Camp. It's a hyaluronic acid, collagen, marula oil, and green tea. No parabens, no sulfates. And I thought that would be nice to put in the giveaway. And, well, I guess to go with the pink theme, this is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Now, I don't even have one of these, and I went and picked one up for one of you guys. This is... This is recommended by a dermatologist. They put this was in the Derma box, subscription box. So this is highly recommended, and people are loving this product. So I thought I would pick one up for you guys as well. And then I stopped by Hobby Lobby. I'm an artist, and I did create a painting for one of my friends, but I do want to send it with a matte. So I had a matte cut out of this beautiful lagoon color. And it's going to go in a 15 by 15 frame. So I picked that up as well. So I will be putting together a video specifically for my very first giveaway. So keep an eyeball out for that. But in the meantime, I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.